Hey guys, long time no see. I haven't made a vlog or behind the scenes video and I don't know how long. And we're doing a quick little shoot for fun tonight. It is currently 7's Day here in Dallas, Texas. There's a bunch of RX7s in this parking lot behind us because, well, today is July 7th and it's technically 7's Day. If you aren't aware from that, a lot of people with RX7s or FDs or FCs or anybody with an RX7 or rotary gets together and they have little meetups around the country, and this is one here in Dallas. We have our camera rig out today because not only are we here documenting the meet, hanging out here with some friends at the meet, we're going to feature our friend Gilberto's FD RX7. That is gorgeous. We did a little piece with him with Ryobi. We didn't really get to do him justice, his car that much justice. We kind of just watched the car off and it looked cool in slow motion. So I want to do his car justice, say a little thank you to him, and we're going to film a feature of his car tonight. I also want to let you guys know really quick, today's video is sponsored by Insta360. We're going to have a little word from them in a little bit. And right now, Trey, I'll put his Instagram here on the screen. Trey's helped me shoot today's video. He's grabbing some starter shots of Gilberto, our hero car for the night. What are we getting over here, Trey?
Right now, it's like some detail shots and just some things we can use for the sequence of him getting in the car, like leaving the meet and stuff like that. It's like turning the key, starting the RPMs going up, gauge cluster lighting up, headlights coming up, like little detail stuff like that, you know. Stroking her beef till I'm off.
We just got some cool rollers going down this wide open road over here. It's a little bit more traffic than we had wished, so it is what it is, but we think we got some good shots. So next up, to really bring our video to the next level, what we're gonna do here is we have our Insta360 X3. Now, why I like this camera so much, and why I think a lot of you guys will also like this camera, is it gets that video game look that a lot of you guys think, the GTA in real life style look, where if we take this suction cup and this selfie stick here from Insta360 and extend it over the back of the car and let this baby roll, we're gonna get that shot that looks out of a video game where his car is just cruising and there's an invisible stick below. You don't even see this stick in the footage. So we're gonna make sure our suction cup is clean on the bottom. There's no rocks, no pebbles, nothing like that that could scratch whatever car you're putting it on. And then what you want to go ahead and do is ask the owner if it's okay to put a suction cup on their car. Can I put a suction cup on your car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ask that question first before you commit to all this. So move it a little bit so it's off the edge of that sticker here, and we'll put the suction cup on. We don't really have to worry about framing the shot up right now. We can do that in post because the 360 camera is going to capture 360. It's going to capture everything. So now, really simply, all Gilbert has to do is drive.
Here's the shot that we got with that setup, along with some other really cool angles you can get with the Insta360 X3.
Wide on this because I want to get as much of this curve as I can in the shot. If this was tight, I would lose a lot of this curve, so I'm shooting wide on this so I see the curve from where it starts down there to where it ends kind of over here. There were cars in that shot, which stinks, but we're going to try it on the opposite side of the bridge to maybe not have that, so we'll see. And I stripped another bolt. Now we're down to just 2 holding this on. Should be fine. Okay, so it's currently, I think, midnight, if not close to midnight, 12:02. We've been filming for a few hours now. We got some cool rollers, we got some cool out-of-car shots. Maybe not the whole gambit of things we would normally get while we're filming a feature, but that's okay, because we're not doing something crazy too intensive here. We just want to get a cool video of Gilbert's car here after 7's day. But inside the garage here, where he's coming past these columns, and we're gonna have him swerve inside one of these columns and end up here in the middle. Here is capture audio to match the speeds that we were doing before. All right, so we had some mild driving. We had that one time he went past us a little bit quicker. So try to do that. Try to shift through some of the gears if you can. It'll sound cool. Maybe if you can hold an RPM up a little bit higher, just so we hear wah. It just makes sense for audio. All right. So Gilbert's off with the audio, which is the last part of our shoot that we needed. We have a mic ran down to near his turbos and the intakes. And then we have another mic ran down to the exhaust. So they're both going to a single recorder that I can then break apart in post, where I can bring up the sound of the exhaust, or I can bring down the sound of the intake. It was just me and Trey tonight. Follow Trey's Instagram up here on the screen, which is Camera Car Driver. I want to thank you guys for watching this BTS. I want to thank Insta360 for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the 360 shot that we got of his car in here. We'll use that a lot more in upcoming videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm interrupting really quickly because we have some big news from Insta360. For the first time ever, Insta360 will be offering a Prime sales event. That means you could get the Insta360 X3, the one I have right here in my hand, and the one that I use in my videos, for 5% off. From the original price of $449.99, it's now going to be available for $426.99 for a limited time only. And of course, with that link down below, you can still grab that free invisible selfie stick or lens guard. Don't sleep on this, guys. You will not regret picking up an Insta360 X3. If you've been on the fence about it, now's the time to buy one. We have a cool BRZ shoot coming up. We have a cool BMW shoot coming up, so more content on the channel. I know you guys have been asking where we've been. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for Trey for helping out tonight, and see you guys in the next one. Rotary or LS? Rotary or LS? Leave it in the comment below. Let us know.
She's stroking my